Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a data source in Google Data Studio, which is now called a Looker Studio. So once you log in, this is what your dashboard should look like. And then all you need to do is from this top menu, choose data sources. Now before we delete anything, just keep in mind you can only delete data sources that you actually own, okay, that are owned by you. So let's say I want to delete this Facebook ads data source. All I need to do is come here, hover over this, okay? If you hover over it, you get these three dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots, and then just go ahead and click here on remove. Alternatively, you could click on it and then click on this trash icon. So let me go ahead and do that, and then confirm to move this to the bin. And there we go. This will be moved to the bin, and then we come back here to the bin, and this is how we permanently delete it, okay? So click on those three dots again, click on delete forever. Of course, you could restore it if you would like. I'll just delete this forever. It'll give us a prompt. It'll be permanent. You cannot undo this. Click on delete forever, and there we go. It is deleted. Really that easy and simple.